Lamsago jotono My Contest Tripura YouTube channel TPS website kedal job notification ongkromani paidising tini obono kahamke silainai Noronugi mandokona boke TPSC Tripura Public Service Commission website ke job notification ongkromani kedal aboke advertisement number or mention khlaijak abongke fishery officer TFFS grade 1 group B gazetted under Department of Fisheries job abongke Government of Tripura ke oro mention khlaijak tongo total post tongnai ajakabo 53 total post tonga 53 post tonga amon bisingo category wise ojaga mention khlaijak tong khagjak tongo faidike sing details step kamke naileinai abono silainai pay scale ojaga mention khlaijak tongo noronugi mantokna ojaga boke tai ojaga bo grade pay tai ojaga bo level 13 abake mention khlaijak faidike sing details tebo kamke silainai vacancy tamtamo category wise khagjak tong ojaga mention khlaijak tongo category wise Anjab rong ni bagai hingga 27 year serviceman 1 abai post tongnai bongni tai 33% abo berongni vacancy tongnai abongke anjab rong ni 09 noita post tongnai abongke A sironke total post tongnai 08 8 post tongnai abongke aboni bisungo berong bagai si tongnai 303 post tongnai S rong bagai hingga total 18 18 post tongo aboni bisingo berong bagai 6 vacancies tongnai berong bagai khakjak tongnai inke total vacancy tongo 53 aboni bisingo duita post tongnai PH candidate rong bagai kaini post tongnai ajako mention khlaijak tongo Educational qualification requirement khlaijak tongo minimum 4 years degree Bachelor of Fisheries Science BFSC abake mention khlaijak tongo recognized university institutions abake mention khlaijak tongo ke permanent resident certificate PRTC tongna nangnai o job apply khainanke tai desirable qualification or mention khlaijak knowledge Bengali kokbrok tai ojako mention khlaijak tongo knowledge of climatic condition of Tripura, knowledge in computer application and study from ICR by ICAR affiliated institution abike mention khlaijak tongo as limit mention khlai 40 year jorate apply khlmano 40 bos jorate STSC PH candidate bongni bagai 5 year realization dongnai inke selection process to stage par khlaina nangnai abongke 180 mark ni MCQ 3 hours ni bagai exam tongnai abongke tai personality ba interview tongnai 20 mark ni tongnai total tongnai 200 mark ni tongnai ajagabo joto process complete khaina ningke 2 stage par khaina nangnai o job mana ningke ba tikina ningke teo jago subject mention khlaijak tongo syllabus ba aro mention khlaijak English and general knowledge including current affair o jago 30 mark ni tongnai part 2 tongnai fishery science 150 engke interview ba personality test tongnai 20 mark tai total mark tongnai o jago ba joto milewai exam tai interview khobai 200 mark ni total mark tongnai amoni bisingo jara shortlist ongkhnai merit list borok chagri manai tai ajaga number of vacancies sambaike mention khlaijak tongo interview bo personality test ni bagai category wise ringjanai ekjon ni bagai 5 candidate duijon ni bagai 8 candidate obaike mention khlaijak ingka norok omrok no agino saimanna ingka teibo kahamke sina bagai norok yango kahamke PDF download khlai norok nainai di tei bujina bagai negative marking tongnai o jaga bo 0.25 mark obaike wrong answer wngkangke mark namjaknai online application start ngai abongke 22 January 2025 nisimi 15 February 15 February 2025 ba 2025 5:30 PM jorotoi norok apply khlaina roknai online application fee tongnai unreserved rong bagai hingke general candidate bongni 350 ba 350 bongni tongnai online application fee tongnai hingke ST SC physical handicap bongni bagai ingke 250 ba arisyo abahai application fee tongnai. Taino rok tebo kaham ke sina bagai aro syllabus rok mention khlaijak tongo norok amorok no kaham ke naina bagai PDF download khlaina di description link direct rojak tongo norok aro download khlaiui naimano. Hingke friends norok jara fisheries line porijak norok ni bagai job notification okhor kabo hingke TPSC website o jara online application khlaina rangna mochongnai norok tabukno o PDF no download khlaina di kaham ke teibo sina bagai tai norok online form fill up khlaina narok manai 22 January 2025 ni simi 15 February 2025 joratoi apply khlaiui narok manai. Tabukno thangui o PDF no check di description link rojak norok kaham ke nai norok tebo sina bagai tini kebo ketal nai tongke subscribe khai kongke subscribe khaina di tei bell icon sina tabuk di ketal video upload khai notification thang songina bagai.